Alright, so it's video 5, day 5, similar to yesterday. Basically, I didn't really get a whole lot done today. I came out this morning, I pulled off the wheels and put the rotors on, the front and rear, the pulley on the rear as well, the calipers on the front and rear, just make sure everything was lined up correctly and working right. It is, so no problem there. After that, basically, I went to start getting the coil mounted. I figured I'd start doing some of the electrical. I plan on running that through the frame on a good majority of things, at least. Probably having one exit right in here and then one exit up in here, or perhaps up in this area. We'll see. But basically, the let's see, the signal buttons will be on the handlebars, and the headlight wiring will need to be up there. So, and then I spent majority of the day making this little box here. You can see I didn't like the way that the coil was mounted up here. It kind of stuck out a little bit far. I'm going to be really pretty minimalistic on this bike. You can see I put on the carburetor and threw the air cleaner on. I've done the same air cleaner on the last 3 bikes and wanted to do something different, so I got this. This will be powder coated, and I got a couple ideas to kind of customize that as well. Also, I'll have a new top that'll be powder coated, the same gloss black, and then I'm debating whether I'm going to do either breather bolts here, which actually have a small little filter and a screen in the actual bolt, or if I'll use these breathers and do a small filter underneath. So I haven't really decided on that, but regardless, that is that, which I put on today as well. And then, like I said, the majority of the day was spent on this little guy here, which doesn't seem like that big of a job, but it can be, I guess, or it was for me. Just basically I had the idea, so I had to do all the mock-up and make it on paper a couple times. Actually made another one that didn't really work out so well, but anyway. So the ignition switch obviously will be in there. I have that just kind of sitting in there. Nothing is bolted in yet, so it's kind of just sitting there, as well as maybe the start button. And I don't even know yet, so anyway, I don't want to get too ahead of myself, but, and then the coil will probably be in the stock location. I'll be getting different plugs, obviously, but still, I got a ton to do, so I'll probably hopefully have some videos up soon. I got the sheet metal, which I'll probably end up starting to do some of the electrical, like I said, like where I'm bringing those out of the frame, and then do the actual frame cover. The tank, hopefully, and the fender will be in tomorrow. The fender itself is basically just a blank, so I'll have to do all the cutting and shaping on that, as well as do the mounting for, the front, as well as the tabs for the fender and everything on the rear. Let's see, the tank will have to be mounted. Hopefully I like this one that's coming in. It'll be small. It's going to be probably 3 gallons, but I'll be in between 2 and 3 gallons again, like the last bike. Regardless, I'd like to push another gallon into it and get something around 3, but we'll see how I like it. I got to do the bars, got to do the exhaust. There's just a ton to do still. So anyway, that is pretty much that, and hopefully I will have some more videos, like I said, coming soon, because I got a lot of work to do, and I need to start getting to work on this, because it's taking a while again. So hopefully I'll have something soon.